Given the graph, write an equation in factored form of least degree. So when we're writing in factored form, all we're going to do is look for zeros and look for the multiplicity for each. So my first zero right here is -2. So if I write it as a factor, that's going to change sign, so that's x plus 2. And so if I look at the graph and I look at what it's doing, it just goes straight through the x-axis, so that implies that my multiplicity is 1. You don't have to put a 1, but I'm just going to put a 1 there so then you know that the multiplicity is 1. I'm going to move on to my next zero, which is right here, so that's -1. So when I write it as a factor, it's going to be x plus 1. And if I look to see what the graph is doing, the graph just goes straight through the x-axis, so that implies that its multiplicity is also 1. Then I'm going to look right here, and that is my last zero, and that is a +2. So when I plug it into my factor, that's x minus 2. And if I look to see what the graph is doing, it touches at 2 and then it bounces off. So then that implies that my multiplicity is 2. So this is my equation in factor form, because factors implies that it has factors, which is those in parentheses. And that's it.